Welcome everyone. Welcome back if you're a regular subscriber. Welcome if you're new. I have a knife, watch out. Okay, I'm gonna make the quickest, easiest dinner there is, and it tastes so good. Very simple, and it does not take very long at all. So a quick wash on my hands. I do have an audience here. It's about supper time for the dogs, so they think they gotta be right here by me. So real quick, I'm going to do some olive oil in my frying pan. Let that heat. I'm going to saute a small onion, which I have to cut. This recipe is really quick and simple. And then we'll usually feed about 6 people. You could double it, of course, if you want, if you have more. But this usually feeds all of us in the evening, and then we usually have enough for leftovers the next day. So let me get this in the pan and get this softened. You know, I don't even know if it really has a name either. All it is 1 sauteed onion, a package of Kabasa, Polish sausage. I'll show you here. Let me get this in here. So I just want to saute this for just a minute or two, or a couple minutes actually. Okay, so 1 small onion or medium onion. Clean my mess up. 1 package of Polish Kabasa. If you prefer more meat, then you would just add 2 packages. I'm going to do 2 cans of green beans and 2 cans of sliced white potatoes. You could also do fresh potatoes, but you'd probably have to fry them for a little bit with your onion, which would be delicious. But this is just quick and simple, and it's one of those things when I don't feel like cooking. I shouldn't say lazy mom, because I don't consider myself lazy, but I don't like to cook, and this cooks real fast, which is wonderful. So we'll get that onion going. And then I'm going to open my cans of potatoes and my green beans. I'm going to put the potatoes in next. Of course, you want to drain all of these. You could also add a can of corn if you wanted to, but I'm trying to cut calories, so I don't really need no corn. Even though I want it, I don't need it. I'm trying to do low carb, which has been difficult because I'm a sweetaholic. It's almost like making chili. You just basically fry some meat and an onion and add cans of tomatoes and beans. It's faster than chili though, honestly. Okay. All right. Let's check our onion. Looks good. All right, let's add our potatoes. Now, I'm going to show you my seasonings, but you could just be simple and just do pepper and salt. You could also add some butter too. So these are kind of always my go-to. And you know I don't measure, so I'm going to do a little bit of garlic powder, onion. You could leave this out because you have onion. Lowry's seasoning salts. And of course, Hidden Valley Ranch is my favorite. It's my go-to. I put it in almost everything. That and butter. So since the potatoes are there, I'm going to go ahead and season those. And then, and I just sprinkle it on there. I don't measure. So those are good. Put this away, and then I'll do some salt and pepper. And not very much salt because we did this Lowry seasoning salt. Okay, we'll give this a mix, and then we will cut up our sausage. Put another probably 2 tablespoons of that on there. Probably done with that. All right, let's cut our meat. All right, and as soon as this is cut, I'm going to add it. This is one of those recipes you just can't go wrong with it. You could add extra meat, you could add extra green beans, you could add extra potatoes, you could add corn. Nose is itching. Okay. And look at the cleanup, so easy. We'll spray off our countertops with some all-purpose cleaner, and then I'll wash my hands. All right, now we just add our green beans. I'll bring you a little bit closer so you can see. See, it's only been 11 minutes. And honestly, and probably by the time these green beans are heated through, it's done. That easy. The onion's good and soft. So I would say in about 2 minutes or so, it'll be done. So if you're in a hurry, this is literally probably a 15-minute meal. It'd probably be faster than that because I was talking. And I even cleaned up after myself. Now, the boys and I, which this is bizarre, but the boys and I, we eat it with mayonnaise. And I know that sounds weird, but that's just how I love mayonnaise on potatoes for some reason. I'm really weird. I love French fries in mayonnaise. But I am trying to cut carbs, so I probably won't do that. But that's how we eat this. So simple. The good thing is you could scoop some out and then add you another can of green beans or another thing of potatoes. Of course, my pan's clear full, but this is what it looks like. Quick and easy. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I did hit 1,000 hours today, so I'm excited about that. I think I just have 3,000 more hours to go. And I need about 600 or so subscribers. So please, if you don't mind, watch my videos to the end. I'm going to start adding the music. I guess people don't like that. But watch my videos to the end. Please subscribe, like, and comment. If you comment, please comment nice things. Nobody likes mean people, a mean person. So if you don't have anything nice to say, you can just go scroll on or go on. But if you have a genuine question, ask, I'll answer to my best ability. Anyways, but please comment, but comment something nice. Just be respectful. So you guys have a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.